Hello again, Tom from EveryStepPhysics.com, EveryStepCalculus.com. This is obviously a physics problem. And let's read it here. A professional golfer hits a drive up the fairway. His golf ball rises to a maximum height, apex, of 143 feet, and then lands 315 yards away from where the ball was struck. With the new GPS Global Positioning System systems, the apex, maximum height, and distance range are instantly computed and shown on our TV screens as the shot occurs. Keep in mind, however, that a maximum distance or range can only occur given the initial velocity of a trajectory with an initial launch angle of 45 degrees. And they're asking us to compute the angle that the ball was hit at when the golfer hit the drive and compute its initial velocity. Okay? So it's a big deal in physics that you know that 45-degree angles when you're dealing with trajectories is the farthest the range you can hit or accumulate or get, you know. So that's on every test, and what you should just know is common knowledge, okay, in physics. When you buy my programs and download them from my site and put them into the TI calculator here, the titanium, you're instructed on how to put physics with the open and closed parentheses here. Open and closed parentheses following any word in the calculator here, entry line, tells the calculator that you want to do a program. So, and this physics here is goes to my main menu here, and this is a trajectory problem, so you're going to go to trajectories, and I'm already here to save some time here on the program, but there's like 200 different choices here for whatever comes up in a physics test. They ask you to find acceleration or whatever, velocities, and that's all in the menu here, what they ask for. So we're going to go to trajectories here, press enter, and we're into the program. And here we're going to find what's given, and what's given is maximum height and range, 350 yards down the range. Okay, so we're going to look for that here. Here's maximum height here and range. We're going to choose that, and I tell you what the program is going to do, and we're going to enter. You have to press alpha first in all my programs here to get to put in the entry lines here of the program. Press alpha first, and then what is it, 143 feet. So we're going to choose number 6 feet, which converts it to meters, and then we're going to enter the range, and the range here is alpha 315, and that's yards. Press number 7, convert that for you, 288 meters. I show you what you've entered here. You can change it if you've made a mistake. I say it's okay. So we're into it here. Here's all the formulas, and you just keep writing this stuff down exactly as you just see it on the screen here. And I'm not going to teach you what this is. We don't even want to be taught it in the first place. We just want to get through the test and move on, you know. And so, but to find it, you're going to have to write all these steps down. That's the way you would do it. And of course, then the angle here is the arc tangent of 0.6053, and that is 31.186 degrees. That's the initial angle that it was launched at. The initial velocity is 56.445 meters per second. And then I programmed this in here too, that what it would be if it was 45 degrees, the range, so we can compare and see how it saves. If you're a golfer, you need to hit it at 45 degrees if you can. And so that would equal 3,325.1 meters if you've had a 45 degree angle rather than the 31 degree angle. And you've hit it 37 meters further because you hit it at a 45 degree angle. Pretty neat, huh? Everystepphysics.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and pass physics. Basically that, and then you'll have it for the rest of your life, because don't ever throw out the calculator. Throw out your physics book. You don't need that anymore. But you certainly don't ever throw out the titanium, and my programs in here. Calculus and physics programs are in here. I have loaded both subjects in this calculator, so it's got pretty good memory, that's for sure. And then you'll have all these answers and all the questions. Instead of taking notes in a notebook, you're taking them actually in the calculator. That's what I did when I designed this stuff. Why take notes and put it in something you're going to throw away? Why not program it so that you can have it for the rest of your life, you know, for your friends or spouses or partners, whatever happens, or grandkids or whatever, you know, need it in the future for getting through physics and calculus. So good luck in your classes. I help you all I can, you know. You can email me your problems and I'll show you how it works on the programs or whatever. Okay, so have a good one.